Hey everybody, this is Jeff Grimm over at SalesPipe, and in today's short video, I'm going to show you how to set up your visual sales pipeline. Now, in every single industry, people are going to group their leads or their prospects a little bit differently, but the key is to set up an organizational method so you understand where different prospects are in your sales process. Typically, it starts out with someone coming into your system as a new lead, and then you need to figure out what you want to call or define each stage as between a new lead and you either winning or losing that deal. Now, each one of these stages is completely customizable. This is just an example of what we use. So if someone comes in, they start in the stage of new lead, then they move on to a demo scheduled. Next stage would be they're on a free trial, and then they're in our follow-up process where we're determining if they're going to be a good fit for our software or not. Now, again, every industry is going to be a little bit different. So what I would do is take a little bit of time and on paper just kind of figure out what are those different stages for you? What makes the most sense and what's going to help you stay organized? Now, once you have those all penned out on paper, it's time to set these stages up in the system. And you do so by going over here and then click Stage. At this point, your screen is going to be blank because I already had these created in here. That's the only reason they're showing. But what you're going to do is you're going to add stage and you're going to create your first stage. So if it was new lead, you would simply type new lead, pick the color you want for that stage, totally up to you. Then you would hit create stage. Once you have that one done, you create the next stage and the next stage and the next stage. Once it's all said and done, you'll be able to view all of your stages here, and they will populate here on the screen. Now what you're seeing here is you're seeing numbers next to each stage, and that's indicating how many different contacts are in that stage of your sales process. Our system will also tally up the total value of any prospects that are in that stage as well. And let me show you how that works. Let me pull up an example contact just to show you how this works. All right, so let's pull up this contact right here. Now, on every contact screen, you're going to be able to see what stage they're in, but then you also have the ability to update that stage right here. So if I want to move her from the new lead stage onto the demo scheduled stage, I would just do this right here. Just change it in the drop down and then say yes. Now, I don't want to mess with this, so I'm just going to say cancel, but that will help you understand how the process works at least. Now, after you've made that change, everything would update on your dashboard as well. So I highly encourage you to set up different sales stages. It's going to make it just that much more organized, and it's also going to help you understand what potential deals are in your pipeline. If you have any further questions or need additional training, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Take care.